Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to Codeators and let's solve another SQL problem. So this problem is called active user retention. This problem has been asked in Facebook SQL interview and this is marked as hard. I won't say it's a hard question, but yeah, I would say this question it's having a very good word problem. Okay. So I'm reading out the question. Assume you are given a table containing information on Facebook user actions. Write a query to obtain the number of monthly active users MAUs in July 2022, including the month in numerical format 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's a hint given. An active user is defined as a user who has performed actions such as sign in, like, comment in both the current month and in the previous month. Okay, so it's saying that. So the question says that you have given a table with name user actions and it is storing the actions of a user like which are that if a user gave a like, how frequently the user signed in, and did he made a comment or not. So these are the event types basically. So you have to figure out what are the monthly active user for a particular given month. Now in question it is asking for provide me a monthly active user for July 2022. Okay. Write a query to obtain the number of monthly active users in July 2022. Okay. And it's saying the including the month in numerical. So basically it's saying that month is in numerical order, like not January, February, March, April. It should be 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March, 4 for April, and so on till December, which for 12th. Okay. Now we have to find for July. Now what it is saying for like a user to be like active. Okay, so it's saying that an active user is defined as a user who has performed actions such as sign in, like, comment in both the current month and the previous one, which says that. So let's suppose if I want to find a monthly active user for July, I also need to see what is his or her activity in June 2022. I hope you have understood the problem till here. Now let's come to the example. So here the example says that the active user 445. Okay, so he or she was active for two time on May 31st and also on 5th of June. Okay, so this particular user 445 was a monthly active user for June, as he or she was active in May, which is its previous month, and is also active in its current month, that is June. So I can say that for June I have 445 as one monthly active user because he performed the events like sign in and like. Correct. See for the others like 742 was active in March. Okay, and 742 was active in what, May. Okay, so 742 was not active for any of the consecutive months, so I can't say it's a monthly user. Same for 648. 648 was login or like was active on 18th of June only, and there is no prior record. So I would say 648 is not a monthly active user for any month. With this understanding, 445 will only lie in the criteria, and 445 will be like monthly active user for the month of June, as 445 was also active in May as per the data, and that is why in the examples out we're saying that for the month 6, which is June, the monthly active user is 1, which is 445. So guys, I hope you have understood the problem and what we are expecting. Now, before like I come up to the solution, I would highly ask you guys to take pen or paper or something. Try to understand what you have understood from this video. Try to note it down and come up with a solution. because before recording this video, I was also trying to solve this problem, and I come up with two, three, four multiple ways to solve this particular problem using window function. Also, I tried with simple group by with CTs, multiple CTs. I tried with multiple subqueries. Or I also tried. Okay, this is the one which I'm going to like present will be the most easiest one, easiest to understand and very clean. But I would highly like you guys to write it from your end, because when you are giving a interview in front of for the interviewer, you won't come up with the optimal solution at the very first time. Okay, it will take time. So I would ask you to go step by step, solve from your end, see how you come up with a solution, what was the lacking. Okay, so first select star from our table user actions, where as it's saying that it should be active, so active, like it should have only these values. So I will take these, where event type in sign in, like or comment. Correct, these are the only values we have. Yeah, only these values. So select star from this, and we require for July. Correct, so and for July, extract extract month from your event type, sorry, event date. It's for July, what it will be 6. Correct, so this will provide you all the details regarding uh, in July. Okay, so I can see that 445, 648 and 648. So these were the users who was active in July. But sorry, it's 6, it's June. Okay, so for July it should be 7. Yeah, so these are the users who were active in June. Okay, and users, so they have performed multiple option, multiple ways, comment, sign in. Let me select any, like let me select the just the user ID. Why I'm just selecting the user ID? Because I have already filtered out with this event type, saying that provide me those users only which either did a sign in, like or a comment. So I already filtered this out, and that is why I just require the user ID. So let's see how many. This, yeah, we have 445, 648 and 742. These are the records, and this is for the month of July, right? Now these, when I can say 445, 648 or 748, 742 user IDs will be a monthly active user only if they were active in the previous month, which is June. So I will do the same, and this time for June, and I will get the match. Okay, I hope you have understood what I'm trying to do here. So I'll create a CTE stating that previous month. Okay, previous month data as, and this will be for your June. Okay, and current month data. Okay, so current month data as, and I'll do the same thing, just instead of 6 I'll use 7, right? Now let me print each. Select star from current month. Okay, provide the wrong, there's something. Okay, so finally the issue was a bracket. I was adding extra bracket here. Okay, so there was an extra bracket here. Now you have the data for both the current month and the previous month, and you need to find what are the user who were active in current month and as well as in previous month. So just do a simple join, select from current previous month, inner join current month on current month dot. You will be having user ID. User ID is equals to previous month dot user ID. Okay, and I'll have the count. Now let me count the distinct user ID. Although I will have a distinct only, but yeah. What is the problem? Just any, you can take any. It's ambiguous because I have, okay, it's two. So now how this is what we have. So now let's see how we want to present the output. So output will be like this. Remember, this is for the month of June. Now I'm writing it for the month of July. So this will be worked as monthly active user. Okay, and here we will write 7. I will hard code this as month. Okay, let's submit this. Yes, it's submitted. So yeah, this is the question and this is the solution. I hope you have liked this video. And if you have any suggestion for me, do post in the comment section and share it with your friends. Thank you. Happy coding, everyone.